Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off automatic app updates on Android phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to stop your Android phone from updating itself automatically, what you need to do is go ahead and open the Play Store application. On the Play Store, go ahead and click on the profile picture at the top right. Scroll down, locate and click on settings. Then go ahead and click on network preferences. Here, you have options to control how you automatically update your apps on your Android phone. Come to where you see auto update apps. Click on it. If this is set to whatever you have here, just go ahead and set this to do not auto update. Once you selected that, then you are good. That means when next you have any application that is due for update, your phone will not automatically update the application until you go ahead and do that yourself. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.